A company has 9 cars, 6 trucks, 4 trailers, and 5 pickup. Draw a pie chart to illustrate this information. And before you can draw a pie chart, you need to get the angular representation of each of these items. And to do that, first of all, let's get the total number of vehicles that this company has. Total number of vehicles. They say it has 9 cars, so 9 plus 6 truck, 9 plus 6, 4 trailers, 5 plus 4, and then 5 pickup van plus 5. So adding all of this together, 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 19 plus 5, 24. So altogether there are 24 vehicles. We need to get angular representation of each of these vehicles. Remember, a pie chart is a circle, and in a complete circle, the angle is 360 degrees. So we need to divide this 360 degrees according to the size of each item. To do that, we divide each item here by the total, which is 24, then multiply by 360 degrees. That will give us angular representation of each item. So 9 cars, so the angle of car will be 9 divided by 24 multiplied by 360 degrees, which is, where's our calculator? Let's use calculator to be faster. 9 divide 24, then multiply the answer by 360, that is 135 degrees, 135 degrees, that is for car, what is then the other one is truck. So how many trucks do they have there? Trucks, you have 6 trucks. So to get the angular representation, divide that 6 by the total number of vehicles. 6 divide 24 and multiply by 360. Total angle in a circle. 6 divide 24 and multiply by 360. That is 90 degrees. And then the other one is trailer. How many trailers do you have there? 4 trailers. So 4 divided by total, which is 24, multiplied by angle in a circle, 360. 4 divide 26, 24 rather, multiplied by 360, 60 degree, 60 degree. Then the last one is pickup van, and there are 5 pickup van, 5 over 24 multiplied by 360. 5 divided by 24 then times 360, 75. So now that we have angular representation of each item, we can draw the pie chart. Point left by the compass and draw a straight line, a horizontal line to the circumference of the circle. So from this line now, we are going to measure every other angle required using a protractor. So place your protractor in a way that you look at the protractor, there is a horizontal line at the base of the protractor and then a very short line at the vertical line here, which is 90 degrees. So you place the protractor in a way that the horizontal line at the base lies on this reference line. Also, this vertical line at the center lies on this tiny line left by the compass. You see the way I place my own? The first angle is 135. So 135 is right here. Your own, Your own protractor, you can read it off with your eye and place a pencil point. My own, there is a measurement here. You can see I'm moving something. It's digital. I'll move it until I get to 135. You can see it there. That is 135.134. This is very, very slippery. So your own is something you are looking with your eye. Read it and place a pencil point there. Anyway, let me read my own also with eye because moving that thing is not easy. Mouse control on your digital board. This is my 135 right here. Place a mark there. Then remove the protractor. Place a ruler on that mark. See, place it in a way that the ruler is in line with the reference point at the center of the circle and also in line with the point measured by the protractor. Connect it with a straight line to the center of the circle. That angle is 135. You may label it with the angle or you label it with the item that it represents. The item there is, what was it? Cars. So cars, 135 degree. The next one is trucks, which is 90 degree. To get your protractor again, that one has disappeared. That is one thing with this digital board. This one is controlling itself, so I have to get another one. Now, this line will be the reference line now. So you turn your protractor in a way that You see the way I'm turning my own. You have to turn your own also like that. Then place it in a way that the horizontal line on the protractor lies exactly on this reference line. And then the center line on the protractor also on the center line for the circle. You see the way I place it? Okay, so we want to take 90 degree. You may decide to move this, my control, until I get to 90. This is 80, 90, exactly 90. Then place a mark there. There is no control since you are using a real protractor. You can read it off and use a pencil mark on it. Place a pencil mark on it. Then remove the protractor. Place a ruler there on that mark. Make sure the ruler is in line with the mark and also with the center of the circle. Then connect it with a straight line that is 90 degree. And 90 degree represents, what did we use that to represent? That is this instruction. Then the next item is trailer, which is 60 degree. Then get your protractor. This is going to be our reference line now. Let me use a laser for you to see what I'm talking about. This is the reference line now. This one here. So you turn your protractor in a way that the horizontal line on the protractor lies exactly on this reference line. Then the 90 degree line at the center of the protractor must also be at the center of the circle. We want to get 60 degree. So read off 60 degree, which is here. Place a pencil mark there. That is my 60 degree there. Get rid of the protractor. Place a ruler there. Connect it to the center of the circle. That is 60 degree. And that 60 degree represents pillars. The remaining one represent the remaining item, which is pickup one, 75 degree. Like you can confirm the measurement. Let's see. And say there's 75, very close. Okay, let me turn it on. I 74.5 actually, because it's digital. If it's real paper, if you get exactly the same thing. That is the pie chart drawn. And the question is, draw a pie chart to illustrate this information, which you have done. Then B part, if one vehicle is selected at random, what is the probability that it is a trailer? Now, how many vehicles do we have altogether in this? We have 24 vehicles. And in that 24 vehicles, how many are trailers? You have 4 trailers. So the probability that a vehicle selected at random will be a trailer is number of trailers divided by the total number of vehicles, which is the probability that the vehicle is trailer is number of trailer, which is 4, divided by the total number of vehicles, which is 24. Reducing the fraction, 4 and 4 is 1, 4 and 24 is 6. The probability that the trailer is chosen is 1/6.